Subaru snags number 3 spot for Consumer Reports Best Vehicle Rating. Subaru Legacy pulls in top ratings on interior comfort for midsize sedans, and Subaru unveils the new 2022 BRZ Super GT GT300 car. All that and more ahead on Subaru News. Consumer Reports Best Vehicle Ratings are out, and Subaru has snagged the number 3 spot, tied with Porsche, coming in with a total score of 76 points. Second place ahead of them is BMW with 78 points, and first place is Mazda with 80 points. Honda and Lexus are tied 4th and 5th with 75 points, and Toyota drops below them with 74 points. 32 brands were tested altogether, and bringing up the tail end for number 30, 31, and 32 are Mitsubishi, Land Rover, and Alfa Romeo, respectively. Not only were car brands tested, but also categories of vehicles were tested, with Forester taking top spot for small SUV and Outback snagging top spot for wagon/crossover. Subaru Ascent still coming in very low in its respective category due to initial quality issues and recalls with the 2019 release. We talked about this 2 weeks ago. Consumer Reports used 4 factors to determine their score. Those 4 factors were a road test, reliability, customer satisfaction with the vehicle, and safety. The number 3 win for Subaru is attributed to their 2020 recommitment to improving quality and reliability. Subaru has put in place many new quality control standards as well as revised techniques in manufacturing to ensure that their product is improving every step of the way after the slight downward decline in quality and reliability over the last decade. For Consumer Reports Most Satisfying Vehicles, Subaru struggled to catch the top spot. The Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek, Subaru's top 3 selling products, none of them really scored high in this segment. Only one scoring high was the 2021 Subaru Legacy for the midsize sedan segment. So in determining the most satisfying vehicles for the segment for midsize sedan, they looked at a few metrics: value, comfort, driving quality, the comfort of the cabin, the in-cabin electronics, styling overall, and front and rear seat comfort. The Subaru Legacy came in with an overall score of 84 points, coming in third behind Honda Accord and Nissan Altima. For the individual categories of ride, Subaru got a 5 of 5, cabin noise 4 of 5, front and rear seat comfort respectively 4 of 5 each of those categories. Interior fit and finish was a 4 out of 5, and trunk and cargo space another 4 out of 5. Subaru Legacy was again the only model to come in a high ranking in its individual category in these metrics. I'm not sure what exactly was wrong with the Crosstrek, the Forester, and the Outback, as again they are the highest selling in their segment, the highest selling 3 products from Subaru. But looks like Subaru's got some room for improvement on future Crosstrek, Forester, and Outback models. And last but not least, Sunday in a live stream event, Subaru unveiled the new 2022 BRZ Super GT GT300 race car. This is the newest generation built off of the 2nd generation BRZ chassis, replacing the 1st generation that has been out since 2012. The 1st generation BRZ GT300 car ran a modified EJ20, making 300 horsepower and 330 foot-pounds of torque. No specifications or talk yet on the drivetrain power plant of the new GT race car. Not sure if they're going to continue to run an EJ Series engine or if they will have to go ahead and run an FA Series engine. Seeing as how the EJ has pretty much gone extinct aside for the STI, but for the 2022 model year, the new STI, we will no longer be using the EJ, and the final nail will be in the coffin for it. So not knowing exactly the rules of the GT, I would assume that they would have to run some kind of current production model engine and most likely will be an FA24 turbocharged variant. This will be the only non-Toyota vehicle that will both head up against the GR Supra GT300 as well as the Prius PHV GR Sport. Hopefully in the coming weeks we will get more information on the new GT300 and hopefully figure out what the drivetrain and power numbers will be for this new race car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.